Good morning, students. Welcome to MGV's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City. Today we will study about Botany Paper Second, Plant Morphology and Anatomy, presented by Professor Tasneem Kausar. And then we will discuss about chapter number 2, Morphology of Reproductive Part. Then first point, flower. Then first we can see definition of flower. Flower is defined as a highly modified and condensed shoot of limited growth and specialized for sexual reproduction and formation of fruit and seeds. This is known as flower. And second point, part of a typical flower. Flowers के different जो है parts होते हैं. We will see the different parts of a flower. First one is pedicel, second one bracts, third one thalamus, fourth one floral wall. Then we can see first one pedicel. Pedicel, it is a stalk of a flower, is called as pedicel, and a flower with pedicel is known as pedicellate flower or stalk flower. For example, we can see hibiscus flower, and then they are showing this structure. Pedicel is present. And then another, a flower without pedicel is known as sessile flower. जहाँ पर फ्लावर का जो स्टॉक एब्सेंट रहेगा वो फ्लावर्स कैसे रहेंगे? दैट फ्लावर इज सेसाइल फ्लावर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्यूबरोज. ट्यूबरोज का जो फ्लावर होता है इसमें जो है स्टॉक एब्सेंट होता है. देन सेकेंड वन इज ब्रैक्ट. ब्रैक्ट इट इज़ ए मॉडिफाइड जनरली रिड्यूस्ड लीफ. ये जो है स्मॉल लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिखता है. ब्रैक्ट इज सीन इन द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज थैलेमस. थैलेमस it is the apex or tip of the pedicel which is slightly swollen. It bears floral leaves. The thalamus is also known as receptacle or torus. This part is the thalamus present above the pedicel. pedicel के ऊपर यहाँ पर present है. Then next one is fourth, floral whorls. Flower bears 4 types of a floral whorls. These are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. They are arranged on the thalamus in an ascending order. The calyx and corolla are the outermost accessory whorl, and the androecium and gynoecium are the innermost necessary whorl. See this slide. This is the calyx and corolla. They are non-essential whorls, and androecium and gynoecium, that is essential whorls. Androecium and gynoecium, they are the male and female plant of the. अगर यहाँ पर कैलिक्स, करोला, एंड्रोशियम, गायनेशियम ये चारों पार्ट्स प्रेजेंट रहेंगे, दैट इज़ ए कंप्लीट फ्लावर. इफ़ अगर कोई भी एक पार्ट यहाँ पर एब्सेंस है, दैट इज़ इनकम्प्लीट फ्लावर. Then see this structure, last one is, it is a bract and petal. This one is petal. Petal is also known as corolla. They are colorful. They have seen in many colors. And this one is sepal. Sepal is also known as calyx. These are non-essential words. Then see this structure of a typical flower. They are showing all part of the flower, male part, female part, and then calyx and corolla. Then first one is, यहाँ पर लास्ट में दिया है receptacle. Receptacle is also known as thalamus, and then above the receptacle they have present in the sepal. Sepal is also known as calyx. And then petal. Above the sepal they are present in the petal. This part is the petal. They are many in colors, and then all petals are known as corolla. Then they are present in the stamen. Stamen are divided into two parts. Part of stamen, then rounded part, that is yellow color, and this is a anther or anther lobe, and this is long cylinder like structure. This is a filament. These are the part, this whole are part of the stamen. And the male reproductive part. Stamen is a male reproductive part. The next one is female reproductive part. Female reproductive part is also known as gynoecium, and they are also known as carpels. Carpel is divided into three parts. First one is ovary. This part is ovary, and then this is style, and this one is stigma. Thanks for watching and listening this structure.